Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Guys, yesterday I told you about the downward trending trend line forming a bull flag on the hourly chart. While I was uploading that video, Bitcoin broke out exactly as anticipated. The target, based on the flagpole measurement, was $99,000. So what did Bitcoin do? It peaked at $98,600 today. After hitting that peak, Bitcoin started consolidating, settling around $97,200. During this consolidation phase, I sold about 20% of my position at $98,100, securing a solid profit along the way. This is a great example of locking in gains when the market offers you opportunities. Remember, I opened this position at $96,400 a week ago, right before the price dipped to $91,906 days ago. Thanks to proper risk management, I was able to stay in the trade and write it back into profit. For those new to the concept, risk management isn't just about setting stop losses. It's about having a system that balances potential rewards against acceptable risks. My strategy has been thoroughly back-tested, giving me the confidence to stick to it, even during volatile market conditions. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. The one-day liquidation heat map is showing two critical areas. The first is a long liquidation pocket at around $96,600, which aligns closely with my own position entry. This means if Bitcoin dips to this level, it could trigger liquidations and create a short-term bounce. On the other hand, there's a major short liquidation pocket at $98,900. If the price moves up into this zone, we could see a short squeeze that propels Bitcoin even higher. What's particularly interesting is the one-week heat map. Here we see a clear concentration of liquidity in the $99,000 to $100,000 range. This area represents massive short positions, and a breakout into this zone could cause a rapid price movement as shorts scramble to cover their positions. Based on this data, I believe Bitcoin could break the $100,000 mark as early as the beginning of December, with mid-December being the latest. On the ETF side, there were no inflows yesterday because markets were closed for Thanksgiving. A quick shout out to everyone celebrating. I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving. While yesterday was quiet, institutional demand for Bitcoin ETFs remains a significant driver for the market, and we should keep an eye on inflows once the markets reopen. To wrap up, I've placed a small take-profit ladder starting at $97,000 to secure gains in case of a pullback. If Bitcoin dips, I'll look for opportunities to re-enter on lower ground. But overall, I'm very bullish on the price action as we head into December. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay informed. And for real-time updates on my trades, join my Discord community. Let's keep riding these bull waves together. And see you in the next one.